Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the snowy update. This is going to be the January edition of the Big Adventure vlog for 2024. Things you may notice that are new are that building is being used. There's snow on the ground, sun's in my eyes, but where'd that tractor go? I used to have a right over there. Yeah, the tractor's missing. So something fun I did was I decided to put the tractor away for winter. Check that out. It's got a roof over it. It's got a tarp over it. It's perfect. So this is what I'm going to call the winter ops for 2024 winter ops. So really, that's about all that's new with the farm since the last video. I finally burned all the scrap wood that was sitting in the Jeep trailer, and I moved the Jeep trailer, moved the trailer over here. There's the Jeep, and yeah, that's about it. I'm heading over to a neighbor's house to shovel their driveway for them for no reason other than I wanted to, and it's beautiful weather out. It's sunny out. It's not too cold. It's just snowy. Outside of that, the plans for 2024 remain the same. I'm still trying to sell off as much of my farm equipment as possible, downsize what I can, and regroup at the house. But here's a good shot of the truck. That's really it. I figure I'll walk around the barn a little bit here, just to get in the sunlight. That way you can finally see my beautiful face. That's all I got. It's gonna be a short video, ain't it? Maybe I can find some B-roll footage to show around or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out. And I hope you're watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying watching them. As always, I enjoy making them. And I'll see you next time.